We'll guide you through how to create a Samsung account on a mobile phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Having a Samsung account signed in is going to go and give you access to different features, so we'll guide you through how you can make an account. I'm doing this on a Samsung phone. What we can do is go and swipe up and go and find settings. In settings, come to the top and you can go and see that for me, it says sign into your Galaxy. It should say the same for you as well, unless you're already signed in. So to go and create an account, we can go and tap there. You'll be given a few different ways to sign into your account, but to create one, we need to press forgot password or don't have an account at the bottom. And then what we can do is press create account. Select if you're over 14 or under. I'm over, so I'll select that there. Now what you need to do is start going through these. If you agree to them, go and select them. At the bottom, you can then go and press agree, and we need to go and enter in our email, enter in a password, make sure it matches the requirements, and then you can select your date of birth. And what you can then do is press create account like so. You need to go and register your phone number. Like so, it now says I'm signed in. It may go and take a moment for it to go and update. And like that, I can now go and see my account. If I go and press back to get back to the main settings page, you'll go and see we now have an account